What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily market close for Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. The bulls showed up today and they meant business. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. Green across the board. The S&P 500 climbed 0.8% to close at 723.77. The Nasdaq led the charge, surging 1.3% to finish at 681.61. And the Dow Jones added 0.69%, closing at 492.96. Tech was clearly the driver today, with the Nasdaq outpacing both of its peers. Now let's check in on the Magnificent Seven. Apple was the star of the show today. Shares jumped 2.66% to close at $284.18. That's a serious move for a mega cap name. Alphabet also had a strong session, gaining 1.35% to land at $388.43. But it wasn't all sunshine. Nvidia pulled back 1% to $196.50. Meta slipped 0.89%, closing at $604.96. And Tesla dipped 0.8% to $389.37. So a split decision among the big tech names. But the winners clearly outweighed the losers today. Turning to commodities. Gold continues to shine, rising 0.86% to $418.27 an ounce. Investors still looking for that safe haven exposure. Silver was essentially flat, barely budging, down just 0.05% at 65.91. Now here's a big one. Oil took a hit today. WTI crude dropped 2.33% to $144.17 a barrel. That's a notable decline and worth watching going forward. Over in the crypto space, Bitcoin is back above $81,000. It gained 1.29% to trade at $81,364. Ethereum added a modest 0.44%. Sitting at $2,374.17. The bullish tone in equities seems to be spilling over into digital assets as well. On the Forex front, unfortunately no fresh data to report on the major currency pairs today. We'll keep tracking EUR, USD, GBP, USD, and USD JPY and bring you those numbers as soon as they're available. Now let's hit a couple of headlines driving the conversation. Apple's big rally today suggests investors may be pricing in strong expectations ahead of upcoming product announcements. That 2.66% pop doesn't happen without conviction. Meanwhile, oil's sharp decline could signal shifting supply dynamics or softening demand concerns. And Bitcoin's pushback above 81,000 puts it in a technically interesting spot for the days ahead. So here's your bottom line. The market leaned bullish today, especially in tech. Apple and Alphabet carried the load while Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla took a breather. Gold and Bitcoin both moved higher, showing broad risk appetite alongside some hedging behavior. Looking ahead, keep an eye on oil. A move of this size could have ripple effects across energy stocks and inflation expectations. Also watch whether Nvidia can stabilize after today's pullback. And of course, stay tuned for any updates on those Forex pairs. That's your market wrap for May 5th. If this helped you stay informed, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you right back here tomorrow. Stay sharp out there.